In 1994, a man in Texas bought a dusty typewriter at a thrift store. Each night he heard typing sounds coming from his office, but the typewriter was untouched. One morning he found a typed message, "Stop looking for me." Terrified, he had no idea what it meant. Upon inspecting the typewriter, he found a hidden compartment with an old photo of a faceless woman. A local historian revealed the typewriter belonged to a woman who vanished in 1951, leaving only a cryptic note behind. The man returned the typewriter to the thrift store but swears he still hears faint typing at night.